Hey guys, Dotson Guys here with MarineMax Charleston. Today I want to show you guys a brand new 195 Sport Dorado. Brand spanking new model for 2021. This is a absolute stunner in the blue. So this is the midnight blue hull color. You can see that standard Scout rub rail with the stainless steel insert, as well as that silver pinstriping just sets it off. So this particular boat has the stainless steel bimini. You'll see it's raked back, the same similar look as the console rails. You got rod racks, vertical rod racks on both port and starboard consoles. This particular boat has the ski tow option with that aft center jump seat. So you can see that full couch all the way across. And we've got the live well storage underneath this hatch here on the port side. And then on the starboard side, it is access. So this particular boat we ordered with a Yamaha 150. And then we've got the standard swim platform, as well as we added the trim tabs. This boat does come equipped with a 9-inch Garmin. So we've got the trans-mounted transducer there. And I'm going to take a moment and step inside. So you'll see this console. All integrated little pod there with the 9-inch Garmin again. Digital tachometers. We have our Fusion stereo system as well. Dual battery select switch down below. We have USB hookups. Here we've got the new Fusions for 2021. And on the port console, we've got a nice convenient glove box with charging ports and USB ports in there. You got systems and battery access down below. So we've got twin batteries because this boat does have the trolling motor option on the bow. Trolling motor plug, excuse me. We have the aft dual batteries and as well as the console batteries. So there's our standard helm seats. Those swivel and slide front to back. We have gunnel storage for rods, both port and starboard, similar to the center console. There's that ski tow again. Moving forward, these lounges, huge storage. There is a standard bow cushion there. You can see those bolsters that go up all the way around in the bow here. The cushion is over in storage at the moment. Check out these beautiful lounges. So again, those bolsters wrap all the way back. Extremely comfortable. Nice and wide. See those pivoting hinges there? These are lined console boxes. But here's a little added caveat, a little extra storage. Both loungers right there in that backrest. So added space. Put your fire extinguisher, put your sunscreens. And just like the center console, you have the rod holder, the cup holders in the bow. You can opt for rod holder cup holders in the bow as well. There's our trolling motor switch or panel. Then we have the big access in the bow that is insulated. And then we have our battery or our anchor access, to the bow here into the front. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this tour of this beautiful new model from Scout Boats. Again, this is the new 195 Sport Dorado. This is a 2021. This is a brand new inventory piece. So if you do want to come see this, you want to see this brand new model in person, feel free to reach us at 843-747-1889. Again, my name is Dotson Guys. Feel free to call any of us for a personal tour. We'd be happy to show you through this boat. Thank you, and I hope you enjoyed.